Hey guys, it's Michael with e-conolight again, and this time I'm introducing new products to you via my family. Yes, I'm a total sellout. This is my brother Steven, and recently he was complaining about the lights in his garage. Why don't you tell us your number one problem with these?
Well, one, the lighting is very poor in here. Two is getting up and down off the ladder several times a year is not fun at all.
I think we're going to solve this problem with this NICOR LED linear vapor tight light. Long name, but a short installation. Let's get to it. As with all electrical installations, you'll want to cut power first. Remove the old fixture, measure between 34 1/4 and 36 inches, and install the mounting brackets. Press the fixture into the mounting brackets until you hear a snap, then release the LED board. Now feed your power supply through the liquid tight fitting. Remove wiring cover exposing the driver. Connect the wiring accordingly using the push-in wiring connectors. Now attach the driver connectors. Connect your ground wiring. Reattach wiring cover. Now snap the LED board back into place. Finally, reattach the diffuser to the housing. And just like that, you're done. The VT320 LED linear vapor tight light is designed to give you long-lasting, energy-efficient light in demanding locations. Okay, Steven, we finished. It was incredibly easy. What do you think?
I love it. It's a lot brighter. Color temperature makes a huge difference.
Yeah, it really did brighten up the space. These fixtures are dust and watertight. They're great for your legacy applications anywhere you have rows of fluorescent lights, such as car washes, maintenance facilities, stairwells, canopies, locker rooms, or even your brother's garage. So head on over to econolight.com today and check them out. And as always, if you order before noon Central Standard Time, they will ship the same day. We'll see you there.